Welcome back. This is episode 2 of my Hanbok Jalu tutorial. In the last episode, we focused on the skirt. Today, we'll complete this piece, the waistband and the jalu straps. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching episode 1 first. Now, let's get started. I'm using a different fabric for the waistband and straps. Now, fold the fabric along the grain line. I prefer folding it lengthwise to avoid the natural slopes in the fabric. Cut to pieces. To put the waistband together, match the right sides together. Mark the stitch line, following the guide shown in the picture. Using half back stitch, attach the waistband to the front and back panels at the marked positions. Then, open the seam and press it flat to split the seam allowance. Fold the seam allowance twice and stitch it down neatly. Now, fold the waistband in half like this. Measure 1 inch down from the top edge. Mark it and press to create a crease. This crease will guide your stitching and help keep the straps in the same position. Usually, jalu waistbands are narrow, so a casing is not always necessary. But for this design, I strongly recommend adding a casing line. Now, let's put the waistband and the skirt together. Match the side seam of the skirt with one layer of the waistband. Pin all the way around the waist, or use basting stitches if that feels easier. Using a half-inch seam allowance, sew all the way around with a half back stitch. When you are done, press the seam allowance upward toward the waistband. Next, use your running stitch to secure everything around the waist. Finally, finish the waistband with blind stitches for a clean edge. And that's it, the waistband is complete. You might be wondering, is this something I can really do? If you have a little time and enough fabric to play with, this is actually a lovely project to try. It's not difficult, it just takes time, and that's okay. We are almost finished now. This is truly the last part, the straps. It's not hard to follow, but it does take a while. So let's take a deep breath and do this together. To finish the straps, you can use blind stitches or half back stitches, whichever you prefer. When inserting the straps into the waistband, start from one side and guide the strap all the way around the waist. Exiting at the same side you started. For the second strap, do the same thing, but start from the opposite side. And that's it. We are all finished now.